Oops. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And in today's video we have these two beautiful machines. One is from 2011 and this one it is 2012. Customer reached out to me because he took it to another repair shop and didn't want it to work on that because it was vintage. Now my customer has a lot of love for his machine because he told me that when he first started his business, he started off of his MacBook and he has a lot of sentimental value for him. So we're gonna help him to revive and not touch this computer.